Hello people, right, I haven't made a video for a couple of days, or a few days actually, and I thought I would make a quick one about my thoughts on Peloton. Now, I haven't really got any thoughts on Peloton apart from the fact that it's sideways and pulling back after massive moves and a lot of trader involvement, excitement, call it what you like. Of course we're on the weekly chart, but as I say all the time, everything we need is on our charts. So for me, the best way to see when this might be ready to go is literally just look at past historical RSI charts. This is why I consider the RSI so useful for us, because we have a few triggers on the RSI. One of them is the break of the 20 level. So as you can see, when we broke that 20 level, that's the green dotted dashed line there, price just didn't look back. Over here, when we broke the 20 level, we can see price just shot up. Well, when I say shot up, I mean it moved fast on the following bar, the week. Same here, from red to 20, big moves, big green bars. They don't look huge, but in reality they are weekly bars and they are big moves. The only exception, well, few exceptions to the rules are here and here. There's no big 20 break here, but we did have a sort of a momentum break to the upside. Probably a little trade there. It's always, you must always remember that we always use the smaller time frames to enter, right down to the 15-minute, 5-minute, 1-minute. So you should always be protected from getting caught in these nasty little moves like this one here, or this one actually. Busted up, pulled back, broke through the 20 level, and then it did nothing for 2 whole weeks. I mean, as a scalper who's used to getting in and out of trades for minutes at a time, this would be absolutely horrendous. Here we've had a big break of the 20 level and a bust, break and close. Bust up, pull back, break and close above the level of the bust bar, and as you can see, a big move on that candle there. The open was 42.51, the high was 49.68. Plenty of pennies to be made out of that. So over here, what am I waiting for? A break of the 20 level, which would coincide with, probably, we're on the weekly chart, a daily 3 candle reversal to the long side. Watch the pullback. Wait for the H4 to do its stuff to the long side, and so on and so forth. Pullback, watch H1, pullback, watch M30, pullback, watch M15, pullback, watch M5, and so on and so forth. Or watching the RSI on the lower time frames. And you can just attack the levels, the candle reversal levels on the lower time frames using the lower time frames. So if you've got 15-minute 3 candle reversal view, and you're waiting for a 3 candle reversal on the 5-minute, if there's a gap at a sensible stop and target, then you can trade to the 15-minute. Same goes from the 15 to the 30 to the hourly to the 4-hour, and so on and so forth. Hopefully you get that picture. So that is how we watch and wait for the entries on these sideways movements. 3 candle, a stronger momentum. So obviously, in this instance, we've got to wait for the close of next week. But the point I'm trying to make is, this is an inside bar as well. That's just, I've just literally just noticed that. So these are 2 areas that will create potential problems. But we would use the daily, the H4, the H1 to work out which way to trade this. So you can either wait for the weekly to do its stuff and just flick back once a week and see whether you've made a pullback red, bust, break and close of the green, that would be a good strong trigger to the long side, preferably a break of that high and a close through it. So we'd have a green bar, and we would have a green, well, we'd have a red bar messing around here. Then, so the whole of next week could be an internal week, and then the following week we would want some sort of breakout of that. And you know, they are just accumulating better positions at this point here. That's all that's happening. You know, they're waiting for potentially the next push up, or you know, naturally it's a two-way street. Either they will take more profit and look for better prices further down. And you know, the way we do that, again, just basic chart analysis, trend lines, trend line breaks, reversals, 1, 2, 3 reversals, 2B reversals, there's a 2B there, and so it goes on. So plan your trades and trade your plan. You know what we want to look for here. You've got weeks and weeks, days and days, whatever, to understand what's going on. There is no need for fear, anxiety or greed. Just let the price do what it wants. So back onto this inside bar, if we were to attack the high, we'd want to use daily 3 candle reversals, preceded by potentially an H4 3 candle reversals, and so on with an H1 3 candle reversal. And all of these reversals are trends in their own right, candlestick trends. This is a trend here, low, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. And if you went on to the internals of that, that would be a swing trend. So candlestick trends, swing trends, that's what 3 candle reversals actually are. This is sideways, but it tells us a story as well. So a little bit of food for thought there, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great Sunday.